As golf course designers, we actually crave having a situation like this where we have a beautiful piece of property, the sand dunes meeting the ocean, because Mother Nature gave us the bluffs. We didn't create the bluffs, Mother Nature gave us the bluffs. So all we had to do was just make sure we got 18 holes into the really tight confined area that we had given to us. It's a strange occurrence where you have wind from a certain direction constantly for about 6 or 7 months a year. Then it'll switch around and be from the same speed and velocity from the complete opposite direction. So there's a philosophy that I have when every time I build a links golf course, and this is a pure links golf course, is can you play a hole in a 30-mile-an-hour headwind? And can you play the same hole in a 30-mile-an-hour downwind? We've really achieved that goal of making sure that every hole is extremely playable. Well, look, the ball is round and it's meant to roll. So we did that here at the Bluffs. We incorporated the soils, we incorporated the grasses, we incorporated tee positionings and green locations to be able to allow people to actually play the game of golf on the ground, which is extremely important for me. When players go anywhere, what we like to have is the creature comforts, and we like to be able to walk from our hotel to the golf course, play golf, and go back and relax. So you have the infrastructure here in place. What I'm most proud about with the Bluffs is the way we've balanced the golf course. The Bluffs has this capability of hosting any, whether it's amateur or whether it's a professional tournament. In the success of what we've done here at the Bluffs and put this region on a global map is so important, not only for Greg Norman Golf Course Design and my company, it's for everybody. Because I've built a lot of golf courses around the world, I've played in a lot of golf tournaments around the world, and I've been in a lot of places around the world. You should be extremely proud and proud about what is going to happen into the future. The game of golf is spread right across the board. But when you can reach down to the grassroots of everybody and allow them to play the game of golf and come up, that makes me very proud.